Here we are in the backyard overlooking Tierra del Sol Championship Golf Course. The back of this home does face south. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that is made of block and stucco. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video of a designer home located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. This home is located near Spanish Springs Town Square, and it is offered for sale by Chris Day of Worth Clark Realty. The front of the home does face north, and the rear of the home does face south. And I'm standing on the street, and I will pan the street to begin the video. I am panning the street that is facing west, friends. That is your home right there. And that is facing east. Let's go inside and take a look. The first thing I notice, friends, is a very deep setback in this front yard. Very mature landscaping as well. This home does have a stamped concrete driveway. And it also has a 2-car garage that is oversized. It is extra deep. As always, friends, if you are interested in this home, please contact your listing agent, Chris Day at Worth Clark Realty. The stamped concrete does continue on the sidewalk leading up to the front door. You do have a very mature landscaping. This is a block and stucco home. That is your roof line. I believe the roof was replaced in the year 2019. It does have a nice front patio sitting area as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here we are, friends. Hi, Chris. Can you describe a little bit about this home?
Welcome, Tim. So this is the Veracruz model. It is a block and stucco home. Roughly 1,900-ish square feet. It does have some updates. It has a luxury vinyl plank flooring, the high baseboards, new roof is of 2019. And then the best, of course, is the glass enclosed lanai, which overlooks the Tierra del Sol Championship Golf Course.
Perfect, Chris. Let me take a walk through the home and describe what I see.
Thank you.
Here we are, friends. I am standing in the foyer area. And the first thing I notice is this beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor that runs throughout the home. It does have an extra large lanai in the back of the home. The back of the home does face south. And like Chris mentioned before, it is on Tierra del Sol Championship Golf Course. Off to the right, friends, I do notice a laundry room, and the luxury vinyl plank floor continues in that laundry room. That door will lead out into the extra deep 2-car garage. Laundry room does have acoustic textured ceilings. Let's take a look at the 2-car garage in this home. This is a block and stucco home. The garage floor is concrete. It does have windows in the garage door. It is an extra deep garage. As always, friends, please contact Chris Day, your listing agent, if you have any questions about this home. This laundry room does have an extra space. You could use it kind of like as a mudroom. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home. Off to the left, you do see a dining area. Very high ceilings. Very wide crown molding as well. You do have a solar tube in the living area. It does have acoustic textured ceilings as well. The luxury vinyl plank floor continues in the living area as well. This home does have a split bedroom design. You do have the primary bedroom on the opposite side of the home as the guest quarters. Let's take a walk into the primary bedroom area. That does appear to be a queen-size bed, friends, to give you some perspective. I will video the specification sheet so you have the particulars of this home. If you have further questions, please contact Chris Day, the listing agent. The back of the home does face south, friends, and it does overlook a championship golf course. Very nice. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture, very wide crown molding as well. Let's take a look at this primary bathroom. The primary bathroom does have wood cabinets. It does have 2 sinks as well. Extra wide molding. That molding does stand out in this home, friends. Let's take a look at what the walk-in closet looks like. That is the walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. Very large vinyl plank floor as well. Very high ceilings. Wire rack shelves. That is your bathroom. It does have a sliding pocket door. Let's take a look what the bathroom looks like. It does have tile surround. It does have tile floors as well. Let's take a walk out into the lanai area, friends, and see what this backyard has to offer. Very large lanai with tile floors. That tile floor is gorgeous. It is a temperature controlled lanai. You can slide these doors open as well. Just to give you perspective, friends, this is very large, high ceilings. That is knockdown texture on the ceilings as well. Let's take a walk out to the backyard and see what this backyard looks like. Here we are in the backyard overlooking Tierra del Sol Championship Golf Course. The back of this home does face south, and that is a golf cart path right here, friends. That is your home. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom designer home made of block and stucco. As always, friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. You do have a small outdoor seating area here in back of the lanai. Let's take a walk inside again, friends. Next, I will move into the guest quarters of this home. As I mentioned before, friends, it is a split bedroom design. This is your guest quarter here. This is a guest bedroom that is being used as an office. It does have laminate floors, very wide crown molding, acoustic textured ceilings. This bedroom does have 6-panel raised panel doors. That is your closet right there, friends. Wire shelves. Laminate vinyl plank floor. Actually, the vinyl plank floor does lead into the hallway area. This is the guest bathroom. It does have tile floors, 1 sink, very wide crown molding, window in that tub area. That is a tile surround in that tub as well. Very bright room. This is another guest bedroom with laminate floors, crown molding, acoustic textured ceilings. This bedroom is in the rear of the home. It is overlooking the golf course. That is a queen size bed, friends, to give you perspective on the size of this room. It does have 6-panel sliding doors. Let's take a look at what the closet looks like. That is your closet right there, friends. Let's move into the kitchen area and show you what the kitchen area looks like. One last look at that lanai. The lanai is awesome. Those are very large windows. And they appear to be in very good condition. Very high ceilings in this home. Here's your kitchen, friends. It does have the luxury vinyl plank floor continuing in the kitchen. It is a U-shaped kitchen. Has wood cabinets. It has the electric stove. Has a 2-bowl stainless sink. Formica countertops. Has a fluorescent light in the ceiling as well. Lots of cabinets in this home. Lots of cabinets. Has a dinette. That is located in the front of the home. Very bright kitchen area. I will video the spec sheet, friends, so you have perspective of the room dimensions, etc. This is in the village of Santo Domingo. The location of this home is 1828 Madero Drive in the Villages, Florida. List price $449,900. The bond is paid. Feel free, friends, to pause the video at any point. I will turn the specification sheet over. Garage dimension is 25 by 19. There you have it, friends. I will now walk out to the front of the home. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will walk out into the street and give you one last look of this home. Very nice, large front sitting area here. Stamped concrete walkway. Very mature landscaping that is panning to the east. Very deep setback. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Chris Day, at Worth Clark Realty if you have any questions about this home. I will walk out to the front of the street and give you one last panoramic view of this home. It is a nice home. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, designer home made of block and stucco, located here in the village of Santo Domingo. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for taking this home tour with me of this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home located on a championship golf course here in the village of Santo Domingo. Have a great week, everyone.